Vanakkam student. This is the last video of this unit carbon and its compound. This is a very interesting video. What we are going to say in this video, that is the plastic. Why we are learning this plastic is that product in this chapter, because where we have to what are the products or what are the components used to make plastic, what are the type of plastics we have to use, and what way we are using, what are the drawbacks is there. So let me see each and everything. First is a plastics, that is the catenated long chain carbon compounds. So plastics is produced by using the catenated long chain carbon compounds. So in this plastics contains long of catenated carbon compounds are there. We call it as an polymer resins. Polymer resins. See, most of the plastics are produced by using this polymer resins. What is the meaning of polymer resin? That contains a catenated carbon compounds are there. Let me see that the first thing, that first is the important thing, that is the drawbacks of plastic. Why we burn plastics nowadays? Government take lot of act to stop plastics. Why? What is the reason? So first drawback, if we have to use the plastic and once the usage is over, if you throw the plastic on in the land, means it will take very long time to decaying the plastic, because it will very long, for 1 million years it will take time to break down that plastic. That is the first drawback. And second thing, if any product, if we are unused, we will throw it on the land, means some of the microbes it should be present on the land. It will destroy that product. But what microbes is destroying the plastic is very less in land. We are producing lot of plastic, we are wasting lot of plastic, throw lot of plastic, but that much microbes is not present in the land. So it will take very long time to break down. So that is the second drawback. Third one, most of the plastics do not recycle. So if we are not recycled that plastic, means definitely it will pollute our environment. That is the main drawback of plastic, and lot of harmful chemicals to produce plastic, which leads or which will leads cancers or diseases to our human body. So these very important drawbacks. And finally, so okay, we have to destroy, or if you have to ban that plastic, means what we have to do? Yes, we have to burn the plastic. If you are burning the plastic, means what are the chemicals to be added to produce the plastic? That gases will coming out. That gases we call it as a toxic gases. If that persons, those who are in surroundings, they will inhale the toxic gases, means it will lead some harmful diseases, or it will affect our organs, what it is present, sorry, lungs, kidneys, and some breathing issues are there. So toxic gases will be coming out, and lot of one-time usage plastics is there. If we use and throw it, means it will be polluting our environment. So these are all the main drawbacks of plastic. See how we have to identify the plastic types, different types of how we have to identify the different types of plastics, by using the resin code. What is the meaning of resin code? If you have lot of plastics in your home itself, you are using lot of plastics. Now let you see that code will be registered, or code will be designed in each and every plastic. The code will decide whether the plastic will be recycled or not. So we have 7 resin codes are there. That resin codes will show whether the plastic is harmful or not. No one can check that. If you are going to buy any food product which has to be present in the plastic box, means you definitely have to see the resin code of plastic. Let me see that resin code where and what are the resin code we have to be used. this symbol, 3 triangular arrow marks should be presented in any of the place in the plastic. The number which has to be present in that triangular is present inside the triangle. Okay, triangular arrow mark. That number has to represent, or number has to say the quality or that type of plastic. And this number has to say what type of polymer has to be used to make the plastic. Whether that polymer is harmful or not, whether we have to use or not, that this number says all the details. And second identifying type of plastic is need for resin. Why we need this resin code? See, we are using lot of plastic nowadays. Is a stylish of our life. One of the part of our life is plastic. So we are using lot of plastic. Some peoples can do what they have, the hot items also they can be stored in the plastic item. What happened? That hot will combine with the chemicals what it is present in the plastic. It should be combined in the food content. What we use or what we eat, the food content it is present in the plastic also added. So if we eat that food means that chemicals it should be go in our body and it will react to our human body and it will cause us some diseases. So we have to know what are the plastics has to be used. So resin code is designed in 1988 first to identify the plastics in different varieties. So how you have to find the resin code on plastic items? How you have to find? If you are going to buy a plastic item means first you have to see. I will explain it the next part. First you know that how many numbers of resin codes are there. 1 to 7 resin codes are there. If you are seeing in the plastic item the symbol is there. In center of that symbol the number it should be present. Sometimes the number if it is not there means the chemical what the polymer has to be used to make this PET should be present inside the triangular arrow mark. So you have to know what type of plastic we are going to buy. From these 7 type of resin code, these 3, 6 and 7, if this type of plastic, this type of resin code should be present in any plastic, you should not buy this type of plastic because it is very harmful to our human body. So should not buy in these resin code plastics. Let me see how that resin code is shown on the plastic items. See first thing. First, if you are seeing the resin code is placed or shown in the bottom of the plastic. If you are going to buy any plastic box means if you are seeing the bottom of the plastic, the resin code is there. 2, 3 like that the resin code is there. Otherwise, if the resin code, the triangular mark is there means sometimes that plastic type here PET like that it should be present in the triangular box. So full name of plastic type also present in some of the plastic boxes or plastic items, and code some of the code it should be present on the label of the plastic items. Label, if that the code is not present on the plastic means it should be present on the label. And if anything is not present, label or full name of plastic or polymers or resin codes, if it is not in the plastic means that plastic is not suited for our human life. They are not following the plastic rules. It should not use in our daily life. It is very dangerous to our human or health conditions. So these are all the way, or these are the resin codes. It should be present on the plastic items. See how it will. We have seen 3 resin codes which has not to be used in our daily life. So that 3 resin codes, how it will make our human body very harmful. What are the reasons? First, that plastic contains 2 types. One is some chemicals it should be added to make plastic, and most of the plastics in one-time use. Let me see the harmful plastic. What are they? 3 unsafe plastics are there that should be written in the resin code. PVC resin code number is 3. and PS and PC.ABS, that resin code number 6 and 7. In these three, plastics is unsafe. PVC, most of the PVC pipe we are using to plumbing or to connecting the pipe. So PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Let me see why we are not using this PVC. First thing, it contains heavy metals to combine with the plastics. Contains heavy metals and it has some chemical additives. It will decrease our hormones. If we sometimes if we are using the PVC oriented plastic means it has some chemical additives out there. It will decrease our hormones and platelets. And third, if you have to burn the PVC means it will produce the dioxins, that is toxic chemicals. So these are the harmful effects when we use this PVC. And let me go for the next resin code PS, that is 6. Resin code is 6. Polystyrene. Polystyrene. Why we are not use this type of plastic? That is, see, plastic. Most of the plastic is made from building block of plastic is polystyrene. And if we are using that plastic, it leaves cancer. And it will take very long time to break down. Nearly 1 million years to destroy that plastic. So these type of plastic you are not at all used in our day-to-day life, and it contains the toxic styrene. It has to be added to food and also drinks. Most of the food product which has to be covered with the plastic covers, boxes, everything. If you are seeing hot items, cold items, everything they are covered in the plastic. So we don't know what it is present or what are the chemicals should be added to produce that plastic. So we are if that food product is very spicy, tasty, we have to eat that. So lot of chemicals should be added in the food and drinks. So you are very clear about the resin code and what type of plastic we have to use it. You will be very aware for that plastic. And the last resin code, that is polycarbonate. That is the 7th resin code. Why we are not using this type of plastic? Because it contains bisphenol product is there. This, if you are using this type of product in a plastic means it will decreases or increase our hormones. So if in some hormones, if it is decreased or increased means our body activities, it will very unconscious activities or some activities we are very laziness. So some problems arise in our human body when you are using this bisphenol product. And ABS. See, ABS means acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. If you are using this type of plastic means it will cause us a lot of problems in our human body like eyes, skin, digestive, lungs. So these how it will use in our, it will cause us in our human body organs means we are using this type of plastic. We are using this type of plastic to pack the food items. Means it will added to the food particles. If we eat means all the chemicals should be added to our organs. Otherwise, if you burn this type of plastic means that also mixed with the air particles, we have to inhale that also, which leads to our human body's problem. So toxic chemicals are there and some of that prominent flame. So some of the flame or some additives should be added in this styrene plastic. And the second harmful effect is one-time use plastic. Nowadays we are using one-time use plastic, tumbler, plates, cups, covers, one time. If you are using one-time plastic, most of the 80% of the plastic is one-time use plastic. Once we use and throw it means it is landed on the land environment, it will not destroy it. It will take long time to destroy. So that what will happen, it will deposited on the sand particle, and the rainwater, it does not deep into the earth. So that only the groundwater level is decreased. So much of natural processing stopped due to the usage of plastic. And new rules to make Tamil Nadu plastic free. So Tamil Nadu take what are the procedures to ban the plastics. First thing, environmental EPA, Environmental Protection Act 1988. They will burn the one-time usage plastic, but it's not stubborn. They are not banned fully. Finally, when they banned on 1st January 2019, fully they will burn the one-time use plastic, and they will acted on this shop provisions of everywhere that package plastic bags or covers not at all used. So banned, what are the banned items should be should be burnt in Tamil Nadu, that is plastic carry bags, then plastic plates. Why they are banned these items? It is most of that the people can use this type of plastic items regularly or daily. So lot of plastic waste should be present on the each and every area. If you are seeing corporations has to lot of plastic items in each and every street. So plastic carry bags, plates, water pouches, plastic straws, sheets. Nowadays, if you are seeing lot of shops, they burn the plastic oriented items. So this is the items that the Tamil Nadu government banned nowadays. So you people, how you have to prevent the plastic items in future? Let me see. So what is your role to prevent the plastic pollutions? So to avoid plastic items, to carry the food content, then one-time usage item plastic should be avoided, and most of that natural resources bags or packages. Nowadays lot of persons are doing that natural resources. So you have to take more so much of awareness to prevent the plastic free world. Thank you, students.